Imagine sitting at a table and suddenly your hand starts reaching for the objects without your control. It won't listen to you, it doesn't follow your commands, and it seems to have a mind of its own. This might sound like a scene from a horror movie, but it's a real life struggle of the patients with alien hand syndrome. Hey everyone, welcome back to Med Insights with Rahul. Today we are diving into one of the most bizarre and rare neurological condition, alien hand syndrome, where your hand starts acting like it belongs to someone else. So, what exactly is alien hand syndrome? It's a rare neurological disorder where one of the hands acts independently, without conscious control. It's like your brain loses communication with your hand, but your hand still functions, except it doesn't take orders from you. This condition is often linked to damage in specific parts of the brain, like corpus callosum, the part that connects the two hemispheres of the brain. This can happen due to the stroke, brain surgery, and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Essentially, the two sides of the brain stop communicating. Let's talk about some real-life cases. One famous case involves a woman whose left hand constantly tried to undo the buttons she just fastened with her right hand. Another patient who suddenly finds their hand slapping their own face without warning. Imagine constantly fighting against your own body. Diagnosing alien hand syndrome is tough because it's so rare. It usually requires brain imaging, neurological tests, and careful observation. Unfortunately, there is no cure, but treatments like physical therapy, cognitive therapy, and medication can help manage symptoms. Living with this condition must be unsettling. Some patients wear gloves or hold objects just to keep their hand from acting out. But it's not all doom and gloom. One patient's alien hand was really into snacks. The hand would constantly grab chips without the patient realizing. Basically, the ultimate snack thief. It's a wild mix of creepy and kind of funny. Alien hand syndrome might sound like science fiction, but it's very real and very strange medical condition. It shows just how mysterious the human brain can be. If you found this as fascinating as I did, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know what other strange conditions you want me to cover next.